Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you guys doing? I welcome all of you in BYJU'S Exam Prep. That is the India's most comprehensive preparation app, guys. Most comprehensive preparation app. So are you guys excited for the today's session, guys? Basically from BYJU'S Exam Prep, we, myself, that is Krishna sir, Ansari sir and Rohan Goyal sir, all of four of us has decided to give you something good, and that is basically we are bringing a series on IIT Kharagpur GATE Civil Special. IIT Kharagpur GATE Civil Special. In this, guys, we will be solving the previous year questions of IIT Kharagpur GATE. Basically, in the GATE examination, the questions which have been asked by IIT Kharagpur previously, we are going to solve those questions today. So are you guys excited about this series? Are you ready? Are you ready? Shall we proceed with this session? Are you guys ready? Shall we proceed with this session? Just quickly let me know in the comment box. Are you guys ready? Is audio video clear, guys? Just quick. Yes. Audio video is clear. Chale, let us start the session. Let us start the session without wasting time, guys. Let us start the session. Agreed? So this is a brief introduction about myself. I am Ankit Sharma, an Ex IES officer, having more than 12 years of teaching experience. More than 12 years of teaching experience. Very good, very good. Reddy ji, thank you. Thank you. Good evening, Reddy ji. So, further, this is our first question. This question is being asked in GATE 2014 in Shift 2. In GATE 2014 in Shift 2. So, what will be the answer to this? What will be the answer to this? Can you just let me know what will be the answer to this? Quickly, guys, can you let me know what will be the answer to this? Good evening, PMG. Good evening. So, guys, the survey carried out to delineate natural features such as hill, river, forest, man-made features such as turn, towns, buildings, road, transmission lines and canal is classified as, definitely the answer will be what? Topographical survey. The answer will be what? Topographical survey. Yes, yes. Everyone, very good. The topographical survey. Very good, guys. Let us move to the next question. Let us move to the next question. This is our next question. That is in the figure given below. Okay, it is at in the side, not at below. The length PQ, WCB 30 degree and QR, WCB 45 degree respectively up to 3 places of decimal R. Okay, guys, so we are being provided the WCB of PQ as 45 degree and the WCB of PQ as 30 degree and QR as 45 degree. We need to determine the length of PQ and QR up to 3 decimal places. We have to determine the length of PQ and QR up to 3 decimal places. So, guys, shall I tell you the shortest possible way of answering this? Shall I tell you the shortest possible way of answering this? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for it? Shall I tell you the shortest way of answering this? Yes or no? Right? So let us check. Please see. Please observe that. Basically, see. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me enlarge this diagram. So that it will be more clear. Now, okay, this cannot be rubbed now. So, see, this angle is how much? 30 degree. This angle is 45 degree, right? Now, we can assume the length of PQ as L1 and the length of QR as L2. Can we do that? Can we do that? Now, I know the coordinate of point P and I also know the coordinate of point R. So what is latitude of P? That is, the latitude of P is 100 northing. and the latitude of basically R is 1000 northing. So basically how much is the difference in the latitude? How much is the difference in the latitude, guys? Can you just let me know? सर्वे का रेफरेंस बुक कौन सा यूज करे? कोई भी यूज कर लो राजपूत जी. यू कैन यूज एनी बुक. You can use any book. You can use the book of Dugal sir or BC Puramiya. Any book you can use. केवल रेफरेंस बुक से फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मेहनत से फर्क पड़ता है. You have to put in hard work. So basically, can I write 1000 latitude plus L1 cos 30 plus L2 cos 45 is equal to 1000, right? Now over here there was 100 and over there is 1000. कुछ नहीं किया है साहब, हमने ऐड करके यहां तक पहुंच गए. बेसिक प्रिंसिपल यूज किया है. We have used the basic principle, right? So can I tell this or can I write it like this? Is 100 को, this 100 shall be taken over here and I should write 900 on this side. 900 on this side. Similarly, we can also write the departure also. That is L1 sin 30 plus L2 sin 45 degree is equal to 1000 easting minus 200 easting, right? So it will be how much? 800. Now can we solve this with the help of calculator? Yes, we can solve this with the help of calculator, and after solving with the help of calculator we will get the value of L1 and L2. And what will be the answer? Answer will be option A. I have already solved it, guys. Answer will be option A. Is that okay? Everybody is satisfied with the answer? Everybody is satisfied with the answer? Yes or no? Are you okay with this? Answer will be option A. Shall I move to next question, guys? Next question. Chaliye, next question. So guys, this is the question, and many times I have solved this question. Some of you might be remembering the answer also. Tell me what is the answer. Many times I have solved this question. Tell me what is the answer. This question pertains to 2006 GATE. Question is of compass surveying of the topic local attraction and declination both. Tell me what is the answer. Okay, Masoor Ahmed ji, 190. Very quick to answer 190. What will be the answer? See guys, it is a very straightforward question. Right? This is true north. How much is declination? 3.5 degree east, right? So magnetic north will be in this direction. Magnetic north 3.5 degree east, right? And thereafter the local attraction is plus 1.5 degree. It's plus 1.5 degree. Plus 1.5 degree means what? It is towards east direction. Plus means it is in the east direction, and what is the magnitude? That is 1.5 degree. So how much it will be? Right? So new magnetic north, this is 1.5 degree, right? And the original magnetic bearing was how much? 185 degree. So it is 185 degree, and this angle will be 185 degree. Right? This is O, this is E. So basically, what will be the true bearing? Can I tell that the true bearing will be this angle, and this angle will be nothing but 190 degree. So the answer will be option C, 190 degree. Everybody? Hello Shantanu ji, hello everybody. Are you sure? Are you clear with this? Shall I move to next question? Shall I move to next question? Guys, what is my observation? Basically, in survey, the questions are very short, but in OCF, the questions are very, very lengthy. These are very, very lengthy. Shall I move to next question? Please let me know. Are you ready? Shall I move to next question? Right? Chaliye, next question. This is the question. The reduced level RLs of point P and Q are, okay, respectively. The distance PQ is 20 meter. The distance in meter from P at which plus 51 meter contour cuts the line PQ. Okay, let me draw the diagram, guys. See, these questions are very easy. Very easy, right? P and Q. The RL of P is 49.6 plus 49.6 and this one is plus 51.87. 51.87, right? And the distance between PQ is 20 meter. This is 20 meter, right? Now we need to determine contour which is cutting at an RL of 51 meter. So what we need to do? See, let us say this is the distance x. Let us say this is the distance x. So what shall we do? What shall we do, guys? See, it is nothing but just a question of ratio proportion. It is just a question of ratio proportion or straight line interpolation. Just a question of ratio proportion or straight line interpolation. Right. So how to do that? See, basically what we can do over here. See, what is the difference over here? 51.87, right? So in 51.87, it is in 20 meters. So in x meter, how much will be this difference? X meter, how much will be this difference? So what to do? What to do, guys? Let me know that. Similar triangles, yes. Interpolation, yes. Agreed. So how to write this? Let me write this. Let me write this, guys. Shall I write this? Or what we can do, we can determine the slope. Or what we can do, we can also determine the slope, right? So we can simply write 51.87 minus 49.6 divided by 20. This will be the slope of the line. Because these are the elevations. So elevations are what? Vertical height. These are not inclined distances. These are the vertical height. Right? Is equal to 51 minus 49.6 divided by x. So can we determine x? Can we determine x? Is it coming? Okay. Masoor ji and Naresh ji are telling it will be 12.33. So is it 12.33? Answer is Bombay. Very good, guys. Answer is Bombay. Very good. Very good. Are you satisfied with this? Are you okay with this? Any issue? Any issue, guys? Let me know. Shall I move to next question? Shall I move to next question? Yes or no? Okay, cool. Now this is the question. A leveling is carried out to establish the reduced level RL of point R with respect to benchmark BM at P. Okay, P is my benchmark. These are the readings. The staff readings are given below. If RL of point P is plus 100 meter, RL meter of R is, okay, these are the readings. These are the readings, and we need to determine the RL of this point, the RL of this point. So what to do, guys? What to do? Can you please let me know that what to do? See, over here, can you just observe this point, Q point? Over here we are having the backside and foresight both. The backside and foresight both. So can I tell that basically this is my change point? Q point is my change point. Okay, Nareshji, good. Let me try. Can I tell that this is my change point? So basically how to solve this? HI 100 plus 1.655. So it will be 101.655. This will be HI at station P, and further the foresight is 1.5 minus 1.5. So RL of Q will be equal to 101.655 minus of minus 1.5. See, the reading is recorded with a negative sign. The reading is recorded with a negative sign. It means that the staff is kept inverted. The staff is kept what? Inverted. So how much will be this value, guys? RL of Q, how much will be this value? Can I tell that it will be 551, right? 103.155. That will be the RL of Q. Right? That is the RL of Q. And what we are supposed to determine? We are supposed to determine the RL of R. We are supposed to determine the RL of R. So how much will be RL of R? How much will be RL of R? Can I write the RL of R will be equal to RL of Q, that is 103.155 plus backside or minus backside, right, plus 0.950. This will be, okay, this is minus, right? So plus minus 0.950, right? Will this be HI? Will this be HI? Yes or no? Yes, this will be HI, right? And if I subtract this staff reading, the foresight, so minus 750. Okay, let me write this. It is not 750. It is 0.750. So we will get the answer. So it will be how much? If I add this, it will be how much? 1.7. I have to subtract 103.155 minus 1.7. So how much will be the answer? Is it 101.455? 101.455, and that is my option C. Is it clear, guys? Any issue, anybody? Good. Good. Good, Naresh ji. Pranav ji, good. Debashish ji, good. Shantanu ji, good. Mayank ji, good. So answer will be Calcutta. Everyone. Everyone. Are you satisfied with this? Shall we move to the next question? Shall we move to the next question? Good. Let us move to the next question. See, this is the question. During a leveling work along a falling gradient using a dumpy level and a staff of 3 meters. So guys, the key point is there is a falling gradient. It means that the ground is continuously sloping. ओके, गुड गुड, थैंक यू गाइस, थैंक यू। यस बाबूजी, ओसीएफ करेंगे, अभी पहले सर्वे के तो हो जाने दो एक बार में, फिर ओसीएफ करेंगे। वाई यू आर वरीड? ठीक है, बड़े लंबे लंबे सवाल है उसके। ठीक है, यूजिंग ए डंपी लेवल स्टाफ ऑफ 3 मीटर लेंथ, स्टाफ ऑफ 3 मीटर लेंथ, द फॉलोइंग सक्सेसिव रीडिंग्स वर टेकन। ओके, एक के बाद एक ये रीडिंग ली गई है। 1.785, 2.935, 0.360, 1.320. What will be the correct order of booking of these 4 readings? Okay guys, okay, see, so there are 2 key points over here. One of the important point over here is that basically it's a continuous sloping ground, right, and that is falling gradient, and secondly the staff is of 3 meter, so we cannot take, in any circumstances we cannot take the staff reading more than 3 meter, right? So basically you can see over here the first reading is 1.785, definitely this will be back side. Thereafter the reading is 2.935. So basically 2.935, if I have to take one more reading after it, then definitely this reading will be more than 2.935, but my staff is 3 meter only. So this will be what? This will be a change point. So the reading taken from previous setting of instrument on the change point is called as foresight, right? Foresight. After that, basically 0.360, 0.360, this will be what? Since this is a change point, the foresight is being taken, so 0.360, this will be definitely backside, and definitely the last reading 1.320 is always our foresight, so backside, foresight, backside, foresight. Answer will be option A. Are you guys clear with this? Very good, very good, very good guys. नरेश जी, प्रथमेश जी, हर्षिता जी, मसूर जी, देवाशीष जी, शंतनु जी, देवाशीष जी, मयंक जी, everyone, absolutely guys, absolutely, very good. टर्निंग पॉइंट पे पहली रीडिंग कौन सी होती है मसूर जी? सी, मसूर जी इज आस्किंग ए क्वेश्चन, टर्निंग पॉइंट पे पहली रीडिंग कौन सी होती है? विच इज द फर्स्ट रीडिंग टेकन ऑन टर्निंग पॉइंट और चेंज पॉइंट? Turning point is also called as change point. So guys, please do help him out. Which is the first reading? Just now I have told you. Which is the first reading taken on a turning point or change point? Which is the first reading taken on turning point or change point? Can you guys answer this question? Can you guys answer this question? Which is the first reading taken on change point? Devashish ji, he is asking change point. Harshita ji, how come backside? Everyone is going wrong. PM ji is absolutely right. The first reading which is taken on change point or turning point is what? Foresight. That is taken from the previous setting of instrument. See, let us say this is my particular setting of instrument. Over here I have a change point. So what I will do, from this particular setting of instrument I will take my foresight at change point, and then from next setting of instrument I will take backside on change point. So the first reading is taken as foresight and thereafter you go for the backside. Yes, yes everyone. See Naresh ji, backside and foresight are taken, but the first reading is taken as foresight and then backside. Agreed? Clear? Shall we move to the next question? This question guys, very famous question of GATE 2006. Consider the following figure, which is an extra form of a contour map, right? Scale 1:20,000 of an area. An alignment of a road at a ruling gradient of 4% is to be fixed from point O, right? From point O and beyond, what should be the radius of arc with O as the center to get the point of alignment of the next contour on the map. So guys, what should be the answer? See, what is the ruling gradient? 4%, right? The ruling gradient is 4%. And how much is contour interval? How much is contour interval? 20 meter. Can you see over here? 10 meter, 30, 50, 70. So how much is contour interval? How much is contour interval? 20 meter. The ruling gradient is 4%. So it means that basically in 100 meter, there will be a rise of 4 meter. So if there is a rise of 20 meter, how much will be the distance? How much will be the distance? Can I tell that the distance will be simply 5 times? 5 times, so this distance is nothing but 500 meter. This distance is nothing but 500 meter, right? Now, this 500 meter is the horizontal ground distance. But since this ground distance is to be shown on a paper, this ground distance is to be shown on a paper. And what is the scale? What is the scale? Scale is 1:20,000. So means basically 20,000 centimeter. Or I can tell that for 200 meter, right? 20,000. For 200 meter, it is how much? Right, or simply divided by 1 by 20,000. We can divide it by 1 by 20,000 also. We can divide it by 1 by 20,000. So if I divide it by 20,000, what value I will get? That value will be in terms of centimeter, right? Or that value be in terms of meter. To convert this into centimeter, I can do that, what, multiply by 100. So how much will be the answer? 2.5 centimeter. So answer will be C. Answer will be C. Everyone, is it clear? See, you can go it different. See, you can have multiple ways. You can have multiple ways. Like you can tell that basically for 20,000 centimeter we have 1 centimeter. Right, or 200 meter, for 200 meter we have 1 centimeter. So 500 meter will have how much centimeter? That's the answer. So that is 2.5 centimeter. Is it clear, everyone? Shall we move to the next question? Right? Next question. Next question. A benchmark BM with a reduced level RL 155.305 has been established at a floor of a room. Okay, it is required to find out the RL of underside of the roof of the room using spirit leveling. The backside to the benchmark has been observed as 1.5 meter, whereas the foresight to the R is being observed as 0.575 meter. The staff held inverted. Okay guys, the RL of R. Very easy question. Dead easy, damn easy question. See guys, this is the case. Right, it is floor. How much is the RL of the floor? How much is the RL of the floor given in the question? 155.305. 155.305. So instrument was kept over here, the reading was taken, right? The reading was taken, and how much is the reading? 1.5 meter, right? And over here again the reading is taken with the staff inverted. This is roof 0.575, right? Negative reading. So how much? 155.305 plus, if you add this, it will be how much? 2.075. So 157.380. So answer will be option C. Inverted stuff, yes. Very good guys, very good. Answer will be option C. Everyone? Can you see the level of survey question is very easy, asked from IIT Kharagpur. Very easy guys, very easy. See, we can just find out that the previously whatever questions they have asked, those questions are very easy from surveying. Yes or no? Yes or no? Till now we have solved 8 questions and those are very easy. Those are very easy. Right? Next question. Let us move to the next question without wasting much of your time. Next. The chainage of intersection point of two straight lines is 1585.60 meter and the angle of intersection is 40 degree. Okay, guys, this is something wrong over here. It cannot be angle of intersection, rather it has to be angle of deflection. Deflection, angle of intersection cannot be 40 degree. Not possible. Not possible, right? Not possible. Further, if the radius of circular curve is 600 meter, the tangent distance in meter and the length of curve in meter are. So how to solve? How to solve? See, basically we need to determine the tangent distance. Basically this is deflection angle. If you take it intersection angle, the value has to be corrected. It has to be 140. It has to be 140, right? So basically what is given? Delta is given as 40 degree. R is given as how much? 600 meters. So T is being asked. R tan delta by 2. So 600 tan 20. How much will be that value? That value will be 218.38. 218.38. Right? Further, the next point is the length of curve L. L will be pi r delta by 180 degree. So pi into 600 into 40 divided by 180. Right? How much will be L? L will be how much? 418.88. So 418.88. Right? 418.88. So answer will be option D. No, I'm sorry. See, 218.38 and 418.88. Option C. In option D, these are just other way. Yes, Masurji, sometimes. So I guess there is no doubt with this. That has been converted now. Radian value pi by 180. Pi by 180 we have already converted it, right? Delta we have kept in degrees. PMG we have already converted it. Who told angle is in radian? Angle is in degree. Angle is in degree. Angle is how much? 40 degree. So we have to convert it into radian. And how do we do that? We multiply 40 degree into pi by 180. And that's get converted. For tangent length it's not required because it is tan delta. Tan theta. For theta we have to put the value in terms of degrees only. We have to put the values in terms of degrees only. Is it clear? Chaliye next. Next, this is the question. Group 1 list tools instrument while group 2 lists the methods of surveying. Match the tools instrument with the corresponding method of surveying. Okay, match the following in 2014 shift 1. Elidate, it is being used in what? Plane table surveying, definitely. 3. Arrow, chain surveying. 1. Bubble tube in leveling, that is 2. Stadia hair in theodolite surveying, right? So 4. Actually stadia hair is in basically your tachymetry, but few books consider tachymetry as theodolite surveying only. Sure. Thank you, PMG. Thank you. So what will be the answer? 3, 1, 2, 4, and that is my option D. Very good, everyone. 3, 1, 2, 4. That is my option D. Very good. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good, everyone. Right? Rutviji, you only want answer. Next question. Very good question, guys. 2014 shift 2. Very good question. A tachymeter was placed at point P. See, at this point P, the tachymeter was placed to estimate the horizontal distance PQ and PR. Okay, fine. The corresponding stadia intercept with the telescope kept horizontal R. Okay, respectively. Okay, at Q, the intercept is 0.32 and at R 0.21. Right? Angle QPR, okay, this horizontal angle is 61 degree 30 minute 30 seconds. (61 degree 30 minute 30 seconds). If the stadia multiplication constant is equal to 100, so the stadia multiplication constant is what, guys? It is K is equal to 100, and stadia addition constant, that is C, is equal to 0.10 meters, right? The horizontal distance between Q and R. Okay, guys. See, information is given about P and Q, and we need to determine the QR. Agreed? We need to determine QR. So what to do? Okay. So what to do? Okay, Prathamesh ji has given the answer very quickly. Okay, very good. So Prathamesh ji, can you just help me out with the calculation? Right. So what will be the equation? D is equal to Ks plus C, right? So PQ will be equal to how much? 100 into S, that is 0.32 plus 0.1. So it will be how much? 320.1 meter, isn't it? Or 32.1 or 32.1. My mistake. 32.1 meter. Similarly, PR will be equal to 100 into 0.21 plus 0.1. So it will be 21.1 meter. 21.1 meter. Right? 21.1 meter. Now guys, we know this length, and we know this angle theta. So how to solve? We can apply which rule? Sine rule. Can I apply sine rule? Okay, Shivraji, you are interested in making weapons. Okay, then don't take engineering. It is better for the society. Don't take engineering. It is better for the society. Right. You are asking a wrong person, guys. Shivraji, you are asking a wrong person. Right. So cosine rule. How much will be the cosine rule? Can I tell that QR will be equal to PR square plus PQ square minus twice of PR into PQ cos theta whole to the power of 1 by 2. Cos theta whole to the power of 1 by 2. Right. If I solve this, what will be the answer? If I solve this, I have already solved it, 28.8. Yes, Pratham SG. So QR will be equal to 28.8 meter. 28.8. Are you guys satisfied with this? Is that okay? Is that okay, guys? Shall I move to the next question? I thought we can solve many questions, but unfortunately, basically I have next class also at 4 p.m. So let us try to solve certain questions of OCF, or I will solve the other questions in some other sessions. Right? Chaliye, next question. Next question. So a rectangular channel of 2.5 meter width is carrying a discharge of 4 cubic. Considering the acceleration due to gravity as 9.81 meter per second square, the velocity of flow in meter per second corresponding to the critical depth at which the specific energy is minimum. So guys, the critical depth at which the specific energy is minimum. So we need to determine what? We need to determine the velocity of flow. It is being told that the depth of flow is critical. So basically for critical flow, we are aware about that. For critical flow, we are aware about that. Basically Froude number is 1. Right? Froude number is 1. And we are also aware about that V under root GYC will be equal to 1. Right? This is the basic formula of Froude number. This will be 1. So can we tell that V will be equal to under root GYC? V will be equal to under root GYC. Now what we need to do? I want to be an IES in any situation. Santanuji, situation doesn't matter. Only one thing matters to become IES, and that is the hard work. And that is the hard work. So guys, basically in case of rectangular channel, it is being mentioned over here, the channel is rectangular. The channel is rectangular. So in case of rectangular channel, okay, Santanuji has given the answer 2.504. Yes, that is absolutely right. That is absolutely right. So at first what we need to do? We need to determine the critical depth of flow, and that will be how much? YC. Small q square by g whole to the power of 1 by 3. Right? This q is nothing but q by b. Q by b. So basically how much is q? This is 4. 2.5 meter. So 4 by 2.5 square divided by 9.81 whole to the power of 1 by 3. How much it will be, guys? What is this value? This value will be 0.639 meter. 0.639 9 meter. So I put this value over here for V 9.81 into 0.639. How much is the value? 2.504. Shantanu ji has given the answer. 504 meter per second. 2.504 meter per second. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Let me know that. One more question, guys. After that, we'll just finish, and after that, we'll have the other left out question in some other session. Is it clear, guys? Shall I move to next question? Yes. A channel with a mild slope is followed by a horizontal channel and then by a steep channel. Okay, what gradually varied flow profiles will occur? Okay, so just let me know that how many of you are afraid of this? How many of you are afraid of such type of question, the profile? Are you aware that basically these are very easy? These profiles are very easy, right? So at first we are having a mild slope, and then horizontal slope, and then steep slope. Now guys, we are assuming that the depth of the discharge is same. So my CDL, that is critical depth of flow, will be same in all the three cases. YC, this is my CDL, it will be same. Now what will be different in this case, guys? What will be different? NDL, the normal depth of flow. In case of mild slope, my normal depth of flow will be more than CDL. Definitely the depth of flow will be more than the critical depth, right? So basically this will be my NDL, right? This will be my NDL, and in this case, in case of my steep, my NDL will be below my CDL. So this will be my NDL. So now when flow is occurring, right? When flow is occurring at this, let me take the green pen. Okay, let me select some other pen. Right? When the flow is occurring on mild, right? Yes, definitely. For horizontal, Masoorji, definitely for horizontal, my NDL will be at infinity. That's why I have not drawn NDL at horizontal slope. That's why I have not drawn NDL at horizontal slope. I just forgot to tell you that. So basically Masoorji has made me remember that again. So basically in case of mild slope, my flow will be occurring over here, right? Now it will be occurring over here. Now basically on steep slope it will be occurring over here, right? But in case of horizontal flow it will be somewhere over here. So guys, basically just you have to join NDL to NDL always. So in this case the flow has to come over here and it has to come over here, right? Like this. At this joint, the flow will be what? Critical. When flow approaches from a horizontal surface towards a steep slope, there is a free fall, and that free fall occurs at a depth of critical right? So basically this will be what? YC, and from there it will meet over here, and this is second region, right? So basically this is my first region, third region. So basically the flow will be what? S2, and for horizontal flow it is in this between the NDL and over here, so it will be what? H2. it will be what? H2, right? And over here the flow has to meet NDL, that is at infinity. The flow has to meet at NDL, that is at infinity. So how it will approach NDL? See, flow is at NDL. Let me show it again. The flow is at NDL, right? So it will move like this. It will move like this, and this is my flow is in which region? The first region. This is first, second, third region. So it will be M1. On mild slope, the profile will be M1. On mild slope, the profile will be M1. And basically, on horizontal, it will be H2, because there is no H1 region occurs. In horizontal, there is only H2, right? And on steep slope, it will be S2. It will be S2. Yes, Santanu ji, in mild slope, NDL is above the CDL. Right? Good afternoon, Panjiyar Sahab. Good afternoon. So guys, basically what you are asking on for horizontal NDL will be at infinity. Sir, free fall का भी समझा दीजिए please. Okay. See, basically, point to be understood, Mayank ji, see, when we are at horizontal surface, this is my CDL, right? And basically, my normal depth of flow can be anywhere. Yn can approach to infinity. Yn can approach to infinity. It can be anything. That depends on the discharge, right? But when there is a sudden fall in the flow, when there is a sudden fall in the flow, it is being observed that the flow approaches the sudden fall at YC. At YC, right? At the corner, the flow will be what? Critical. So it will be having a critical depth of flow. So this will be what? YC. Got the logic? Understood? So basically over here from horizontal it is S2. So again there is a fall. So at this point this will be what? YC. Depth of flow will be critical. Is it clear, guys? Mishra ji, I guess this is sufficient. Mishra ji, I guess this is sufficient. We can prove this mathematically why this occurs. We can prove this mathematically why this occurs. Is it clear, guys? Sure, guys, that's all for today. The rest of the questions I will solve in some other class. There are not much question, 5 more questions that I'll solve in some other class. After this, I have another class. So guys, thank you very much for joining me today. And I guess basically this session must be helpful for you. Tomorrow's session will be on strength of material and will be taken by your one and only Ansari sir, the surgeon sir. M2 क्यों होगा मिश्रा जी? M2 क्यों होगा? कहां पे M2? कौन सा वाला? ये वाला प्रोफाइल वाला कि OCF? बाबूजी, प्रोफाइल और OCF. M2 क्यों होगा साहब? M2 क्यों होगा? फ्लो कहां पे हो रहा है? हॉरिजॉन्टल रीजन में फ्लो हो रहा है. Why it will be M2? Thank you everyone. Mishra ji, why it will be M2? अरे फ्री फॉल में, तो फ्री फॉल में साहब M2 क्यों होगा? फ्री फॉल कहां हो रहा है? हॉरिजॉन्टल सरफेस पे हो रहा है. अच्छा, प्रोफाइल्स तो बहुत आसान है बाबूजी. प्रोफाइल इज वेरी इजी, सबसे आसान हिस्सा है. फ्री फॉल में M2 क्यों होगा साहब? जब स्लोप ही हॉरिजॉन्टल है. Welcome, welcome Masurji. Slope horizontal. When the slope is horizontal, how it can be M2? It's not mild slope. Slope of the channel decides the profile. It decides the type of the profile. Right. Sure, Shantnuji. Definitely I will take. Definitely I will take. Definitely I feel now I have to take it. Sure guys. So thank you very much for today. Do join us. Basically this series will be continue at 3 p.m. Do join us 3 p.m. tomorrow. The session will be of Ansari sir. Thank you very much guys. Thank you very much. Over and out from my side for today. Jai Hind guys.